to another video. Today we have a Keter folding work table with mini clamps. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, we do have a table, a work table. It is folding work table. I do have the equivalent to this, to the older, I believe it's the older model. It is a Keter, or Keter, however you want to call it. I do have the other older model that has the yellow tabs here. I believe I paid about $60 or yeah, about $60 for it. Guys, it's on sale, $39.98. It's at the Sam's Club. If you know anybody that has a Sam's Club membership, make sure you guys run down and get this. This is going to get sold out. This is a really nice work table. Definitely recommend it. I put miter saws on top of this. I had to have a 12-inch or 12-inch miter saw, and that thing fits perfectly there. You could you can sit on it. It's pretty much, it's a really nice. Definitely check it out. Big shout out to Stan the Man for pointing this out. I believe he got it from somewhere else, but he doesn't remember. So big shout out to him for getting us all this information. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.